Hello, and welcome to the lecture about everything you need to know about music theory. The reason why I have this lecture in my course is because it's really important to know what you're getting yourself into. Piano is very complex, and if you don't know what's going on, how it works, it's going to be very difficult to play. And this is why I want you to know everything, so everything's familiar and everything's comfortable, then it will be familiar and comfortable to play. It's kind of like learning how to drive or operating heavy machinery or learning or using something that's very expensive or complicated. If you don't know how to use it, you need like an instruction manual. You need to know what the buttons are. You need to know what the laws are or something like that. If you don't know like any information before you jump into something, you're going to fail or it's going to be very difficult or you could get into trouble. Like, I don't know. Depends what it is. Piano is the same thing. If you don't know how it works, how it's built, how it's structured, it's very difficult to play it. That's why I have this section, so I could actually explain to you. For example, like if you don't play piano at all, and if you look at the keyboard, you see a bunch of white keys and a bunch of black keys. That's it. Like you don't know which one to press, you don't know which one to do, you don't know how they work, you don't know what system to do, to make them work perfectly together. It's really confusing. And this is why this music theory section is going to explain everything step by step so it will be easy to understand so that it will be easy to play. We're going to cover rhythm, we're going to cover music notation, scales, and chords, how to build them, how to structure them, and how to apply them in our music playing of the piano.